How to unsend an email in Apple Mail iOS 17. In iOS 17, you have a few seconds to undo a send email right after you hit send. It's not unlimited, but it's enough to fix small mistakes or cancel a message. How to unsend. Step 1. Open the Mail app and compose your email like normal. Step 2. After tapping send, look immediately at the bottom of your screen. You'll see an undo send option appear. You only have around 10 seconds to tap it, so act fast. Step 3. Once you tap undo send, the email draft will reopen so you can revise or discard it. If you want to adjust the delay time, go to Settings, then Mail, scroll down to undo send delay, choose between 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Now, you've got extra breathing room every time you hit send. And that's it!